100 subscribers. I couldn't believe it. Big thank you. This little number that goes up is exactly the thing that keeps me motivated. No, just kidding. The coolest thing is to get to know a lot of people who are also interested into retro, nostalgia, low poly stuff, and also to get into a little conversation in the comments and also on the PS1graphics SubReddit. So shout out to the PS1graphics SubReddit. I'm so motivated, and and also I'm above the 100 now. It's 109, so I don't know what I should say. I'm so happy to do videos, and also it's the first time I'm investing time in something and doing it consistently, and seeing that it's not for I don't do it for nothing, so that's very good to know. I have a lot of things planned for the future. I bought 2 PS1s and I wanna customize them for a video. So if you have maybe an idea for what I should paint on, or some idea for a color scheme or something, just let me know in the comments. That will be a future thing. And also I maybe want to try something outside of the digital thing with Blender, and do a little experiment and try to paint the PS1. Yeah, you will see that. And a lot of other things. And a lot of tutorials are on the way and are coming, and maybe I'm thinking about doing a tutorial series maybe. And I also would really like to maybe do a collaboration in the future. So who knows? Yeah, and I wanna say a few special thanks to a few guys. The first is Pix Spaces, which was my first subscriber. Back in the day, 2 months ago. I was talking to him and asking him if I should switch to English channel and make a new channel, because I had a German channel who wasn't running at all, and I was asking him for advice, because we were following each other on Instagram, and he does amazing simulations and Blender loops and very minimalistic fashion, and has a very interesting art style. So please check his channel out. And also a big shout out to maybe the granddaddy to all of PS1 tutorials and PS1 graphics. It's TheSicklyWizard. He basically brought me into the whole thing and got me interested into using Blender for low poly retro stuff, and I watched a lot of his live streams and tutorials. He's the Dumbledore of the whole PS1 retro low poly movement, basically. Also, MikeRoeGames. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Amazing artist, also underrated. He is amazing in painting textures, and he managed to bring a narrative to his tutorials, which are continuing and leading into the next tutorial. And it's very interesting. So I never saw something like that. Amazing artists, awesome videos and YouTube channel. Please check it out. So overall, a big thank you to you all for watching my videos and being interested in what I'm doing. I really want to start a conversation with you all and continue making tutorials and helping where I can. If you have any questions to some modeling thing or anything I'm doing, And I also very open for input. So if you have an idea or feedback, please let me know. I want to grow, I want to improve, I want to do more stuff. Also, I want to experiment with new techniques and really grow as an artist, if you can call it like that. I'm really taking this whole thing serious, and there are a lot of things to come, a lot of videos, and I hope you are joining me on this adventure. And I really mean it when I say, if you need anything, please let me know. I'm trying to help and be there for you. So thank you.